Okay guys, we got a Mazda SUV. We end up installing the dash cam for him. He's got the info. This one's got the front. We end up installing it here, no wires showing anywhere. Okay, and then we put the one for the cabinet here for the interior. And then as far as the back goes, no wire showing anywhere. We run the wire through the rubber boot, take off this trim, and then the camera goes here. That way everything looks factory. You don't have a wire like this or nothing like this. Everything looked like it came with the car. That's what we like to do when we do these dash cams. We like to make it look like it, when you bought the car, it came with it. You know, everything is hardwired. For those who buy these dash cams, give us a call. First of all, we take care of Fort Lauderdale, Homestead, and Miami, and we do come out to you, so you don't have to miss a day of work. Roughly, it takes about an hour. Buy the hardwire kit for whatever brand you decide to get. If you want the parking mode means that when you turn off the car, the camera stays on as far as you know, a few hours until the battery starts dropping voltage, and then it turns off automatically. Like this one is on right now, even though the car is off. And then when you start the car, it comes out of the parking mode, and then when you turn off the car, it goes into the parking mode. And then we made this one here really nice. Okay, there's a lot of cameras that you buy that the one for the interior is built in the actual camera, and so you're gonna have one out. You got one built in the camera, and then the one for the back. But for whatever reason, this model for the interior came separate, which we had to come up with a nice little spot. We originally chose here, but this mirror here blocked the visibility. Down here was just going to be too much, so we decided to go here in the middle. It was a little more work, but it looks factory. It looked like it came with the vehicle. This dash cam was installed by Auto Alarm Specialist. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we do have mobile service. And we thank you for watching this video.